The new Nicobond Terra Level rail system is ideal for the creation of elevated floors, covering patios, balconies, roofs, and other exterior spaces. The innovative modular system offers outstanding rigidity for covered edges, commercial strength steps, freestanding terraces, and tricky-to-wall situations. We're going to show you how easy it is to create a freestanding, terraced floor to cover an old patio area. First, clear your installation area and plan your layout. Whenever possible, align the rails with the natural slope. Join the aluminium rails using Terra Level connectors. Simple, self-drilling, self-tapping screws make this step a breeze. The rail simply clips onto the pedestal head without tools. Adjust the height and slope of the rails with the easy-to-use adjustable height pedestals, ensuring a gentle 2% fall for water drainage. Our stackable 9cm couplers can extend the height of the 6 to 15cm pedestal to reach a maximum finished floor height of 89 centimeters. Insert the support pads into the rails and turn 90 degrees to lock in place. Then place your tiles. These pads ensure proper drainage and reduce noise. Ensure each tile is stable. Adjust any uneven tiles with our precision 1mm shims. Secure the perimeter tiles with our special adhesive for a unified, stable structure, eliminating the need for cross rails or perimeter rails. Finish off with your choice of edges, be it overhanging, covered, or as a neat step. The Nicobond Terra Level rail system stands out for its simplicity, versatility, and speed of fit. Whether it's a robust commercial project or a sleek home terrace, this system is the go-to solution for elevated flooring.